Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable Linux on your Chromebook and use it to install Visual Studio Code and Node.js. So without wasting much time, let's dive straight in. So first off, all you have to do is go into your settings, and under settings you go to developers, so advanced and developers, and then you can see it right here, turn on your Linux development environment. So this will allow you to actually run Linux tools and use the Linux bash. So basically turn it on. So setting it up will require about 450 megabytes of data. Okay, so next, username. Okay, yes. Install. Right, so I'm just gonna pause the video right here and skip to the end of the download process. So as you can see, I'm in my Linux terminal. It actually refused to work the first time. I had to power wash my Chromebook to actually get it to work. And power washing in the Chromebook, as you may know, is just resetting it. So I had to do that to actually get the Linux to install. Okay, so now that we have Linux installed, there are just a few steps that you have to follow before you can install Visual Studio Code and Node.js. So first off, I have them written down here. So we have to install an important dependency called genome keystring. So we're just gonna run the following commands. Also, we have sudo this to update it. Okay. So I have it pasted here. So sudo get date. So quickly gonna wait for it to update the packages. Okay, so it's done. So we have the next command, which is install y. So I'm just gonna copy it like this and paste it here, and yeah. Okay, so it's installing. It should be quick. So the next thing to do is to actually check what architecture your CPU is using. This is to actually know which version of which distribution of Visual Studio Code to actually download. So we have the .deb and we have ARM and AMD. So using an Intel and AMD CPU, you have to download the AMD variant. So to check that, you have to actually get back to your terminal and run dpkg print architecture. So that actually shows you what CPU you're running. So as you can see, I'm running an AMD 64 version. Okay, so since that is done, now we can actually go ahead and install VS Code. So I'm just going to my files. I have it downloaded already, so you just have to go into your Chrome, then download this .deb. So that's the AMD variant, and that should work well. So downloads VS Code. So we have it here. Yeah. So install output Linux. Okay, yeah. So I think that's it. I'll just install it. So it's installing. I don't know how long this will take, but it shouldn't take that long. So I'm just going to pause the video here and get back when it's done.